talking about XMATE mini straightener, which is a hair straightener. So I actually used it a week ago and I really want to come on camera and use it on live. And I'm pretty excited for this video because this straightener, I'm in love with this straightener. And like, oh my god guys, alright, let's just show you guys. So this is a straightener which came in, and I love the straightener because of the packaging and everything. So recently I was like wondering, because my hair is kind of fuzzy as you guys can see, and I didn't straighten my hair because I wanted to straighten my hair on camera, so that's why I didn't do anything. I need to also take out my tangles. And yeah, so I was pretty much confused, like which one should I buy. Like every time I buy a straightener, I brought one full straightener, but it was not this big and this fat, like in the box, and that couldn't fit in my backpack, or either the straightener couldn't fit in my drawer. So I finally, threw out the box. So when I probably saw again, I found this little mini thing, and I was like obsessed with it. And actually guys, I'm obsessed with mini straighteners, and I actually found it. So the straightener is exactly 20 to 25 centimeters, I think. Yeah. And in the packaging it said that. And now let's just see, unbox it, how we're gonna get it. And I love the packaging, how it got. And let's just see how it's gonna get. Like the straightener. Yeah. So firstly, you're gonna get the straightener. So yeah, let's just take it out. And the cable of this is so long, guys, which I love in mini straighteners, because in long, like the bigger ones, you doesn't get the cable really big. And this is how the straightener looks like, guys. It is the same size as my hand, but a little bit bigger than that. But look at this, guys. It is the same size as my hand is. And you'll get the aluminium plates, which is pretty protective. And this is how the straightener looks like. And here is the on and off button, where you guys can see. First of all, when I saw that in the packaging, I thought like it's gonna get in black and gray. But after getting it, I fall in love with this straightener because it got black pink style. Black pink fan. I'm a big fan of black pink, so black pink. And this is the on and off button, which is also in pink color. And this is a pilot lamp. Actually, it's a light, LED type light. If it's on, you guys can see it, like a red light. And you're gonna get this little thing to hold, because you need to hold your hair. It's gonna get a little bit heat, but it's okay. So that's why it's a grip thing, so you can just catch and put it in your hair and then do that. And then the cable, coming to the cable, it's very big, guys. The reason why I bring small straighteners like the mini ones is because of this big cable, which is pretty affordable, and I can place this anywhere in my backpack or anywhere, guys. It is pretty comfortable. Or else I can place this back into this box. And here is the instruction manual, as I told you. While I saw this first before seeing the straightener, I thought like this is going to come like this, like black and gray combination, and I finally got it in black pink. So yeah. The instructions are not that big, if I would say. I didn't read the whole thing, but I just read how it works. So if you're like a beginner, you can use that as well. And we'll just get this little card. I'm not sure what is it, but that's it. And then the box is empty. I love the packaging, as I said earlier, but really guys, I love the packaging. And let's just keep this to the side, and let's just talk about the hair straightener. And I actually straightened my hair once, and I love straightening my hair because look at my hair, guys. I didn't straighten my hair, but look at this. It is like so, I don't like this. But when I firstly started using this, I loved it. And a little thing I don't like about this is it can't be like, like this. It just open all the time. But it's okay. Oh my god, I was actually dropping it. Oh my god. But it is okay, guys, and I really love it. You can just put it in here. So now, look at my hair, guys. It is like so, it's so bad. Okay. So I actually brought my comb so I can comb on camera, and then you're gonna see me the straight. So firstly, I need to take out my tangle. So I'm going to section it in both parts, as I did. So I'm going to use this side. Firstly, I'm gonna untangle this side. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. is like so painful, guys. But after, untangling it and straightening it, you're gonna not get the same feel as this is. Just do it really quick. I'm gonna not like wholly tangle just because it's so painful, guys. Alright, that's enough for now. So actually, I straighten my hair, and after that, I do my makeup because as I'm on camera, so I did my makeup actually a little bit, not like all of that. Okay. So firstly, I like to do this thing is where I take this in a path while straightening. Oh my god. I don't know why I keep dropping things. Today this morning, I dropped my phone and I didn't tell my mom. Alright. So now I'm gonna take this little piece. And then just do this and put it like this. And you just need like a little hair clip and then put it right here. So it's gonna hold your hair. And I'm going to also do the same thing with this hair so that I don't get any disturbance. Alright, so now I'll just plug in this. So as you guys can see, it's on. And I'm gonna put this away, and also this one, and it's on. So it's gonna take like in about 10 seconds to just heat up. If your hair is like more curly, you can just heat up for a minute. So yeah, do not ever touch this aluminum plate. You're gonna burn your hand. So just do not touch it. So this is a grip thing, so you can just catch from there and straighten your hair. I know this is going to be taking a lot of time, but yeah, how less amount of hair you take, that much, straighten your hair looks. So I think it's probably heated. It's been 10 seconds, so I just do this. Place it right here, and just do this. And I do this multiple times because I think. Alright, so I do this multiple times, guys, because I think this is how many times you do that much straight it's gonna be. So yeah. Oh my god, you guys can see the difference of this side of the hair and this side. You guys can probably tell this is like more curly and this is like more straight. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna do it again. Look at this, guys. So this is more long than this thing is. So I'm doing multiple times because of the reason why my hair is like, I want my hair to be soft and entangled, so that's why I'm just doing it more like, multiple times. If your hair is actually straight, you don't need to. You can just straighten your hair for 30 minutes. It's gonna be perfect. So after I've done one layer, I just off it because I don't want it to be like more heated up. So it doesn't get any temperature heating stuff. So you just need to, So I'm gonna remove this and put this. So I get this spot. And we're gonna just do this. Don't judge me, guys. Like I know how to do this. Like it's my style. If I'm doing something wrong, come on, girl. This is my style, how I do this. Oh, I didn't on it. Right. So you guys can see actually the difference. It's like being so straight. And it doesn't heat a lot, so it's good for your hair, and it also protects your hair as well. So see, so I've done this side of my hair straight, and you guys can see this side difference. This is more smooth, more entangled. This is like, oh my god, no, I'm gonna get pain. So you guys can see the difference. Look at this side and look at this. This is the before, and this is the after. And it's also become a little long. Look at this, guys. It looks more shiny, more like smooth. well maintained. But this side of the hair, that is my actual hair. It looks something like this. I don't like this at all. I like this at all. I love this, guys. So, I'm not suggesting you guys to buy this. I'm just telling my experience on this, and I hope you guys like this one. And if you have the same product as I do, comment on me below. I would love to check it out. And I wish Christmas is coming soon. Yeah, it's on the way. So I'm kind of, in the theme of Christmas. I couldn't find any outfit in, red and white, but yeah, I just wore pink so this time because my stationery is in pink, so I just did pink. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Display. And I'll see you in the next video. Tech Display is coming on some new gadgets and also some new content. Till then, see you. Ta-ta!